Hey everybody, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Holly, and I'm going to be going through what I eat in a day as I'm nursing, and I also have a toddler. And so we're just going to be making some breakfast burritos today. I have been trying to do some macro-friendly recipes, just making sure that I'm getting in all of my carbs, proteins, and fats as I'm nursing, but also trying to lose some weight. So we are going to be doing that today. Okay, so for these breakfast burritos, I'm going to be sauteing some onions in a little bit of olive oil. You can add any vegetables you'd like. I just had onions on hand. I'm also going to be cutting up some turkey bacon and putting that in the air fryer. I have loved putting my turkey bacon in the air fryer because I feel like it gets it extra crispy, and I like bacon to be extra crispy. So I'm also going to add in some egg whites and some eggs. I like using a mixture of eggs and egg whites because I feel like it adds extra protein and you get rid of the fat from the yolks, but you can do whatever you'd like. I also, for flavor, add Laughing Cow cheese. It's the light version, so it is, again, adding less fat but more protein to my eggs while still adding a lot of flavor. I'm also going to be adding some salt and pepper and cutting up or tearing up this spinach. And you can add whatever vegetables you like. I like spinach and onions, but anything that works for you is awesome. So I'm just going to be putting these eggs on tortillas. I like these cauliflower egg tortillas from Costco, but my husband just uses regular tortillas. And after I add the turkey bacon, I'm just going to put those on. And there's no need to add cheese because we already added cheese. I like to add some salsa to mine. I also added some grapes to this meal. I've been intermittent fasting in the mornings, and so I try not to eat until 11-ish. And right now it's actually 12:30, so it's a lot later in my day than I usually start eating. But so I'm going to be eating this, and then I usually have like a snack, and then dinner, and then like an after dinner snack. And that usually is how my day goes. This breakfast burrito has been a go-to recently. We really liked having it, and I loved the air fryer. And that's been an awesome investment as well. So that is our breakfast / lunch that I usually do. Okay, for a snack today, I'm going to be making these protein balls from Kodiak Cakes. I think this is like a local brand. A lot of times I'll just make any type of protein balls. And this is the first time I'm trying like a packaged kind. Usually I just like throw some oatmeal, peanut butter, and honey together. But I wanted to give these a try today. So I like using like the freshly pressed peanut butter. So I really like protein balls. I feel like they're a really quick and easy snack to make, and they taste delicious. I don't know about you guys, but I mean, my family loves them. My husband will eat them all. It's great when you're nursing too because of all the oatmeal, and I usually add some flaxseed to mine, and I probably will actually add some flaxseed to this as well. Okay, so I just added everything, and now I'm just going to be making this into some balls, and I'll just put it in a Tupperware. And now I have a bunch of them, and I'll be able to use them for this week's lunches / snacks. And I, again, just love these. They're super easy. I was snacked on them while I was making these, and they were okay, but I feel like I like my homemade ones better. Okay, so I also like to drink some Metamucil mixed with some super greens. So Metamucil is just some fiber, so it keeps you full. I usually do like 2 spoonfuls of it, and then just a scoopful of this mixed with some water, and it actually tastes pretty good. Like, my son loves it, and he just calls it juice, and so we give it to him too. I also will usually have I don't know, some fruit or vegetables, whatever I have on hand, if I'm still feeling hungry. Oh, and then with the Metamucil and super greens, I take one or 2 of these, the sunflower lectin, which helps move the fat in your breast milk all around, and just keeps it flowing. And I also take my prenatal vitamin because you're continuing to take those even when you're nursing. So that is my usual snack mixed with some vegetables or fruit, whatever I'm feeling like that day. All right, so it's around 6:30, so I'm gonna start making some dinner. We do tons of different things for dinner. Tonight we're going to do teriyaki chicken, so here we go. I am all about quick and easy meals, and I really love this one. I already had some pineapple cut up from a different meal. Now I'm just cutting up some red onion and also a red pepper to put in this. These are some of my favorite vegetables cooked up, and my husband cut up some chicken to add. Then I make a quick and easy teriyaki sauce. You can either buy teriyaki sauce or really just use some soy sauce, honey, some rice vinegar, ginger, and garlic. And if you add all of those things, it makes a delicious sauce. And so that's what I did with a little bit of olive oil and some salt and pepper. And you stir it all together and just throw it under the broiler for about 30 minutes and you're good to go. So just serve it up with some coconut rice and everyone in the family will love it. Alright, so I hope you guys all enjoyed this What I Eat in a Day video. I usually stop eating around 8 p.m. For the most part, so I already had my little snack that I have, which lately has been these almond butter cups from Costco, and I have a couple of those and I really like them. They're sweet but not overly sweet, so that's been great. And yeah, I hope you really enjoyed this What I Eat in a Day. This is definitely when I'm trying to be pretty healthy and pretty good about what I'm eating, but it's definitely like a 80-20 thing where I eat out and I want to eat something specific and I'll just get it and I don't worry about it because I know that the rest of the time I'm going to be eating pretty healthy. So I hope you guys enjoyed all of these different foods that I've been eating and things that I've been really loving, and I love it because they are all husband and toddler friendly and they are delicious. So if you try out any of these meals, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to hear your thoughts and your different variations of these meals. And I really appreciate you all for watching. And if you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe. I'd love to have you guys join my little family. I'll talk to you later. Bye.